Hello South Africa. Today is Wednesday, 2nd November 2022, and here are the top 5 stories that have made headlines for today. Dashcam captured moment truck ploughs into cars and trucks on N3. Dashcam footage captured the moment a truck plowed into cars and trucks on N3 on Tuesday afternoon. In the footage, several vehicles are seen in traffic on the N3. Within split seconds, a truck at high speed is seen crashing into multiple cars in his path of destruction. Motorists are advised that the N3 in KwaZulu-Natal is still closed after a multi-vehicle accident that claimed the lives of 4 women on Tuesday. 6 cars and 4 trucks were involved in the collision. Eskom confirms all-day load shedding until the weekend. Eskom on Tuesday announced that load shedding will be implemented all day at Stage 1 and Stage 2 until the weekend. Stage 2 load shedding will continue to be implemented on a daily basis between 1600 hours and 5 o'clock until Friday. Stage 1 load shedding will then be implemented daily from 5 to 1600 hours until Friday. The increase in load shedding is mainly due to the need to preserve emergency generation reserves, the delay in returning 4 generating units to service while many running units are operating at reduced capacity due to technical faults, the power utility said. Angry employee sprays water from fire engine truck at King Shaka Airport. The King Shaka International Airport in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal has confirmed the incident whereby a fire engine truck was reportedly used by an employee to spray water in one of the buildings. The incident, which happened on Tuesday, October 25, 2022, was filmed and the video is being circulated on social media. City of Cape Town installs warning signs after otter incident. The City of Cape Town was unable to hide its disappointment this week after they were made aware of some contentious social media posts. Photos uploaded online on Sunday depict members of the public holding and cuddling otters at the Dalebrook tidal pool. The city's deputy mayor and mayoral committee member for spatial planning and environment, Alderman Eddie Andrews, isn't happy with the situation at all. He was keen to stress that otters are not meant to be interacted with. Andrews also fears that there could be dire consequences. Russian billionaire threatened with itsship arrest if yacht docks in South Africa. Now here's a turn up for the books. Russian billionaire Alexei Mordashov could be in for a rude awakening when his yacht reaches South African shores. That's because the DA are pushing for law enforcement officials to conduct a itsship arrest in Cape Town. The Nord yacht is a vessel worth something in the region of 10 billion rand. It comes with multiple stories, its own helipad, and more luxuries than you can shake a stick at. Mordashov, who made his money as a Putin-aligned oligarch in Moscow, has been heavily sanctioned by the US and the EU. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.